My dentist recommended OraCare. Now what? Hi, my name's Kristen Sheridan. I'm a registered dental hygienist, and I recommend OraCare all the time to my patients. It's for a number of different reasons. It could be bleeding gums, it could be bad breath, it could be dry mouth, it could be that we're seeing other signs of gum disease, and we need to get all of these things better under control for your oral health. The most important thing about OraCare is following the instructions and using it consistently, morning and night. The reason that the dentist has prescribed this or recommended this instead of something over the counter is because OraCare is more effective at killing the harder types of bacteria to remove from your mouth and those odors. It's also incredibly effective at helping to break up plaque, even in the areas that you miss with brushing and flossing. The reason that we recommend OraCare is to improve your oral health. And by improving your home care is the easiest way to create a healthier patient. Happy swishing.